welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here with another new exciting project, which is one of the East Bengaluru's most iconic township, the Nambiar District 25, located off Sarjapur Road. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So this is the beautiful stunning scale model of this project, and let's start with a quick overview of the project. So this township is spread across 100 acres of land parcel located off Sarjapur Road near Muttanallur Cross, which is one of the Bengaluru's fastest growing residential hub. This integrated lifestyle township offering you villa style living in high-rise towers, massive 2.5 lakh square feet clubhouse, 125 plus lifestyle amenities and over 4 kilometers of jogging, cycling and walking tracks, signature landscape gardens, luxury-focused architecture and township planning. This development offers premium 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments designed for modern urban families seeking the perfect blend of luxury, comfort and style. And if we talk about the location advantages, Nambiar District 25 gives you easy access to major IT corridors, hospitals, schools and commercial hubs. Market Square Mall is just 25 minutes away, 500 meters to upcoming Muttanallur metro station. Wipro SEZ is just 25 minutes away and Greenwood High is just 20 minutes away. Also, you get excellent connectivity to Sarjapur Road, NH44, Outer Ring Road. And talking about the amenities, this project offers you 125 plus lifestyle amenities designed to deliver a holistic living experience. You get 2.5 lakh square feet mega clubhouse, swimming pool, luxury gym, indoor sports and hobby rooms, outdoor multi-sport courts, children's play zones. And let's talk about pricing and configuration. 2 BHK apartment comes with a super built-up area of 1242 square feet up to 1323 square feet price starting from 1.65 crore onwards. The 3 BHK apartment with a built-up area starts from 1622 square feet up to 2006 square feet price starting from 2.45 crore onwards. And the 4 BHK with a super built-up area of 2489 square feet up to 2590 square feet price starting from 3.30 crore onwards. This project has already launched its phase 1 and phase 2. Now it's coming up with its phase 3. So this is the 4 BHK plus 40 sample flat of Nambiar District 25. So let's start from the entrance. So this is your foyer area, which is huge foyer area, makes the home feel warm and welcoming. Now let's step inside this beautiful living area. So this is your living area, which looks very bright and it's really very spacious. Also, this living area comes with the attached balcony, and here you get the attached balcony, which is L-shaped. So this balcony brings fresh air to your home and it's perfect for the plants or for the outdoor sit-outs or for your evening coffee. And right next to this living area, you get here the dining area, which is perfect for 6 to 7 seaters. And right next to this dining area, you get the space for your puja ghar. Let's head to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen, which comes in L shape, and also you get the space here also. This kitchen has a separate dry and wet areas along with ample cabinets for storage. And attached to this wet area, you get the dry balcony over here, which is perfect for your washing machine or for your extra storage. Now let's go to the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom, which is perfect for your kids. Also, you get here the wardrobe space. So this is the perfect place for your bed, and also you get here the large windows, which is perfect for the natural light and it gives you the cross ventilation. And this is the perfect place for your TV unit. And now let's go to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, and as you enter, you get the huge wardrobe space over here. And now let's go inside, and this bedroom comes with an attached washroom over here. And over here, the large window, which gives you natural light, so the room feels really bright, airy and open. So this is your bedroom 3, which comes with an attached washroom. Also, you get here large window. So this place is the perfect for your guests. Also, you can convert it as an office space. So now let's take a look at the fourth master bedroom, which comes with an attached balcony over here. Overall, this master bedroom looks really spacious, and also you get the large window over here. And this bedroom comes with an attached washroom. So this is your attached washroom. And you get the space here for your wardrobe. Like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more property updates.